Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix cart not letting you remove things on Shopify. So if customers can't remove items from their cart on Shopify, it can lead to frustration and lost sales. Here's how to fix it. First one is clearing cache and testing on another device. So you can try clearing your browser cache and cookies and test the cart on another browser or incognito mode to see if the issue persists with the browser or your Shopify store. After do this, you can check for theme issues. Navigate to online store under admin.shopify.com, navigate to themes, then navigate to customize. Then scroll down and choose a different theme. So switch to a default theme like Dawn to see if the issue is theme related or not. And if you're already on Dawn, you can choose another theme, then test your Shopify store and see if that solves your problem or not. Now, another way to fix your problem is disabling conflicting apps. Some apps, especially cart drawers or checkout related apps, might interfere in this process. So temporarily disable recent apps and test the cart. Navigate to settings, navigate to apps and sales channels, and temporarily disable any apps by clicking on three-dotted icon, clicking on uninstall and click on uninstall again. And check if your problem still persists. If it's solved, then the problem was created by that app, not with your online store. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is fixing JavaScript errors. So open your browser console, right click, click on inspect, then navigate to your console and look for any errors in the JavaScript if you are familiar to coding. Now, you can also reinstall the cart code. If your theme uses a custom cart, restore default cart.liquid or cart.js file. And if the problem is still persisting, you'll have to simply contact Shopify support. You can navigate to a new tab, type in Shopify Help Center, then click on Shopify Help Center link and ask them to fix your problem. So these were the ways that you can try to fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.